Hi everybody, I'm Meli Spaghetti and welcome back to my channel. We are in a different part of my room. You guys are slowly seeing my whole room. But today's sort of different. Home mailbox. Today's sort of different and I just finished cleaning out my closet, so I'm going to show you guys what I cleaned. Oh my god. So I'm going to show you everything that I cleaned out from my closet. I'm gonna list these on my depop because I made one and I haven't listed anything yet. But anyways, let's get started. Also, I'm not wearing pants, so if I flash you, that is your own personal problem. So this first little piece is a little gray bodysuit. I have like a spaghetti strap. I don't really wear gray anymore, so it's like a little gray bodysuit. It has a spaghetti strap and it has like a slight V to it. So this next one's another little bodysuit. This one's a bit longer. It has like a high neck to it. It's really cute, but I don't wear gray anymore. So this next piece is a white floral button-up, button-down shirt. It's super cute. I got it at the thrift store. Basically, like a lot of things I have here, are from a thrift store. So I'm so sorry. That mailbox is being rudely loud tonight. I just don't wear whites and I don't wear florals anymore. I feel like I was in like a mood the day I picked this out. This next piece is a nice like A-line skirt. So I like to wear these at my waist, and this hits like right below the knee. So my proportions are, I am 5'1" in height, and my bust is 37, waist 30, and hips is 39, I believe, last time I checked. This fits my waist a little bit tight. I just haven't been wearing it, so that's why I'm going to give it away or post it on Depop. This next one is also like a high waist sort of A-line type skirt. It's also cinched in, it's small at the waist, and it hits like right at my knee when I wear it. So I'm getting rid of this skirt just because I never wore it, and also the zipper's broken and I'm just too lazy to fix a broken zipper. But if you're crafty and you like fixing stuff like that, go ahead. And also the lining's sort of coming apart, but yeah, it is a cute skirt. It's like a burnt orange. Next I have like a little pair of sweatpants. These are Tommy Hilfiger sweatpants. I just never wore them. They are a medium. They're really comfortable, and then the lining inside is like still a soft fleece material. I just never wear them, so might as well give them to a go home. So I have a couple hats that I just don't wear. I don't really wear hats anymore. This first one's a girl power hat, and I believe it's a Batgirl hat. I got it at Target for like $5, so it's like totally never been worn, and it has like no smudges, it's not dirty at all. It's just been sitting in my closet. It has like a cute, it's gray and it has like a lightish, it has like a lilac bat print on it, and it has a cute little pink bat embroidered on. So this next hat I wore pretty constantly. What was it, 2015, right, mailbox? It was like 2015. It was when Lana came out with Ultraviolence, and obviously I had to get it because it's Brooklyn Bay. Brooklyn Babe is a song I really like when this is Babe, but same theme, so I got it. It has been well loved. It is from Cotton On, so that's fun. This one has like a distressed feel to it, so I feel like the wear and tear isn't too bad. It does have like makeup stains. So we got more skirts. This side I just don't wear because I have to iron it, and it's also knee length as well. It's another A-line skirt. The waist on all these skirts are pretty tiny just because I have a super small waist and big hips, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I just don't like ironing it, and then also the inside lining just like comes out, and it's so annoying. And also the pocket's a little bit ripped, and I just don't want to deal with it. So this next one is a longer skirt. It is white. I don't wear white. I don't know why I got this. I just don't wear white. It does have, no, I lied. It doesn't have a pocket. Oh wait, no, it does. It has one pocket. Mailbox, you're right in front of the camera. So this skirt has pockets. The one on the left side is just a bit ripped, so I guess it just has one pocket unless you want to fix it. But it is a bit see-through, and I don't like that. And it's also long, so I just don't want to wear long skirts. I want to show off my legs. I have another skirt. I believe this is the last skirt in here. I've had this since, I want to say 2013. It had little buckles on it, but they fell off in the washer. But it is such a cute skirt. It is well loved. It's like a little 60s mini skirt type of mood. So it is tight at the waist. It is a little bit big on me. I have gotten smaller throughout the years. It heads like right above the knee. I have one more skirt. This is a little denim skirt. I wore it in one of my thrift haul videos for an outfit, but I just don't wear denim skirts. And I don't wear like light wash denim. It is a little bit distressed from wear and tear, just from being in my closet and wearing it. I used to wear this in high school. So we have another top. This originally is a top from Killer Condo. I believe it's just the BFF cat. I had made it into a tube top. It is a little big on me. I feel like it best fit like just a medium. You wear a medium shirt. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's a cute little number if you like tube tops. So this little bonnet number is a bit Handmaid's Tale. It has like, it's white and it has like a subtle floral print on it. Don't question my outfit choices. It is about midnight and I can do whatever I want. So this next is some shorts. They're like, it's like a linen material and it has a stretchy waistband. And they're just like flowy type of shorts. I used to really love these, but now my butt is bigger and it hangs out my shorts. And that's just not the look I'm going for these days. So I have a little denim vest. This one I for sure know I've had since middle school because I used to put patches all over it and pins and buttons. I was like a little punky sort of scene kid. And this is a small, but it is really tight around the shoulders. So I would recommend this for like an extra small. This would probably fit best. So lastly, I have a nice little dress. But this is a size medium. It is a little big on me now. It is a nice cotton though, so it is really nice for the summer. It hits right like at my knee. If you're a bit taller, I feel like it would be like above your knee. It has like a nice like open backing to it. You might get some bad tan lines, but this dress, I feel like it was just so comfortable, but it is a little big and I don't like how it fits on me anymore. So that is basically all I have that I wanted to clean out. I'm pretty sure I'll list every single one of these items on my Depop before this video goes live. So if you wanted one of the pieces I own and cared for, you can go ahead and buy it. Everything's gonna be under $10 because I got everything for under $10. I was also thinking that if you are a black or brown trans woman and you need clothes and you do fit a size medium, I am definitely willing to ship one of these out for you for free because I know how hard it is. And if you could put like, can you put like coupon codes on Depop? Because I am definitely willing to do that for you. I just want to help out in little ways that I can, and I feel like this is a way. I'm gonna try to figure that out. I think you could do DMs on Depop, so hopefully I can figure something out. If there's coupon codes, I'll definitely make some and list them in my videos. That way you can have it. And I will definitely tweet whenever I have the items listed. I'll tweet out the little coupon code I have. So until next time, I am Meli Spaghetti. Bye!